Alright, these are the Helvex hand dryers here at Plaza Cumbres in Monterrey, Mexico. They were Sloan Xlerator, but now they're now replaced with Helvex. Try the other one now. There you guys have it, and that's it. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another hand dryer video, and we have the Sloan Xlerator here at in Plaza Cumbres in the lower bathroom. So, and these were Helvex TCF NAO, but these were Sloan Xlerator before, and they got replaced with the Helvex TCF NAO before, and now this, and it's placed back with the Sloan Xlerator. So there it is. There's the information. So let's try it out. Come here. Hello. And let's try this out now. Alright, well there you have it. And that's it.